aydınlatır öğretmenleri, final okulları,
özgüvenli öğrencileri, final okulları.
Hello everybody, today we will learn some words about nature and insects. Okay, let's start. What is this? It's a ladybug or it's a ladybird, okay? Ladybug or ladybird. What is this? It's a snail, okay? It's a snail. What is this? It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. What is this? It's an ant, okay? It's an ant. And it's a bee, okay? Bee. And this is a spider, okay? This is a spider. And this is soil, toprak, okay? This is soil. And this is water. This is water. And this is the sun, okay? The sun. Okay? This is a seed, tohum. This is a seed. Okay? This is a nest, kuş yuvası. This is a nest. These are eggs. These are eggs. And these are baby birds. These are baby birds. And these are leaves, yapraklar. Okay, these are leaves. These are flowers, çiçekler. These are flowers. And this is a river, nehir. This is a river. And these are trees. These are trees, ağaçlar. And this is a sea, deniz. Sea. Okay, let's repeat one more time. Okay, we can say ladybug or ladybird. Both of them are acceptable. Okay, ladybug or ladybird, snail, butterfly, ant, bee, spider, soil, water, the sun, seed, nest, eggs, baby birds, leaves, flowers, river, trees, and sea. Okay, let's repeat one more time, the last time. Ladybug or ladybird, snail, butterfly, ant, bee, spider, soil, water, the sun, seed, nest, eggs, baby birds, leaves, flowers, river, trees, and sea. Okay, let's repeat one more time. Repeat after the sound, please.
Ladybug.
Ladybug or ladybird.
Snail.
Snail.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Ant.
Ant.
Bee.
Bee.
Spider.
Spider.
Soil.
Soil.
Watering can.
Watering can, or we can say just water, sulamak, okay?
Sun.
Sun.
Seed.
Seed, okay. As you see, there is a poster. Now we will talk about the posters. Okay, what are these? These are bees, okay? These are bees. How many bees can you see? How many bees are there? Let's count the bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 bees, okay? And what is this? As you see, there is a ladybug here, okay? There is a ladybug, or we can say there is a ladybird. And what are these? What do you see? Okay? These are spiders, örümcekler. These are spiders. How many spiders are there? Let's count the spiders. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 3 spiders. And what are these? What do you see? Okay, they are butterflies, or these are butterflies. How many butterflies are there? Let's count the butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 butterflies. And what is this? Okay, it's an ant, karınca. It's an ant. Okay. Now we will do an activity. This is our thumbs up book, page 54. We will listen and point, okay? Before we start, let's repeat the insects. Okay, it's a spider. It's a spider. It's a snail. It's a snail. And it's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. It's an ant. It's an ant. It's a bee. It's a bee. And it's a ladybug, or it's a ladybird. We will listen and point.
Listen, point, and sing. Are there any ladybugs here?
Are there any ladybugs here?
Ladybug.
Ladybugs here.
Ladybugs.
Here. Are there any ladybugs?
Ladybug.
Let's look in the garden. Are there any snails here?
Snail.
Snails here.
Are there any snails? Snail.
Are there any snails here?
Snail.
Let's look in the garden. Are there any butterflies here?
Butterfly. Okay, butterfly.
Are there any butterflies here? Let's look in the garden.
Butterfly.
Are there any ants here?
Ants.
Here.
Ants.
Here. Are there any ants here? Let's look in the garden.
Ants.
Are there any bees here?
Bee.
Bees here.
Bee.
Bees here. Are there any bees here? Let's look in the garden. Are there any spiders here?
Spiders.
Spiders.
Spiders. Okay,
Are there
spiders.
any spiders here? Let's look in the garden.
Okay, it's a nice song, isn't it? Okay, look, ask and answer the questions. Are there any snails? Okay, no there aren't. Okay, are there any snails? Resimde snail var mı? No there aren't. Trace, count and complete the sentences. There are butterflies. Okay, how many butterflies are there? Okay, let's count the butterflies. How many butterflies? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are 4 butterflies. So we should write here 4. Okay, how many ants are there? Ants, karınca. Okay, let's count the ants. How many ants are there? Okay, how many ants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 ants. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we should write here, there are 9 ants. Okay, how many bees are there? Let's count the bees. Okay, only one. As you see, there is one bee. Okay, there is a bee. How many ladybugs are there? Okay, let's count the ladybugs. Uğur böcekleri. How many ladybugs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 ladybugs, and these are our answers. Okay, 4 butterflies. There are 4 butterflies. There are 9 ants. There is 1 bee, and there are 10 ladybugs. Okay, there are 10 ladybugs. Okay, now we will do one more activity. Read and attach the stickers and trace. Okay, these are our stickers. Okay, and what is this? It's a snail. Okay, it's a snail. And what are these? These are flowers. Okay, these are flowers. And what is this? It's an ant, karınca. Okay, it's an ant. And what is this? It's a flower. It's a flower. And what is this? It's a bee. Okay, it's a bee. And it's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. Okay, read and attach the stickers and trace. Okay. We will check here first. Okay, we will check here first. As you see, there are some ladybugs here. There are some ants here, some bees here, and some butterflies here. Okay, how many ladybugs are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 ladybugs. How many ants are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 3 ants. How many bees are there? There are 1, 2, 3 bees. And how many butterflies are there? 1, 2, 3. And there are 3 butterflies. And there is a flower here. And these are leaves, yapraklar. Okay, these are leaves. And this is a tree, ağaç. This is a tree. Okay. The butterfly is behind the flower. Number 1 is attach the sticker here. The butterfly is behind the flower. It means kelebek is behind, arkasında. Okay, behind the flower. Kelebek çiçeğin arkasında. Behind. Okay, the butterfly is behind the flower. This is number 1. Number 2, the bee is in front of the flower. Okay. The bee is in front of the flower. In front of means önünde. Okay, önünde. It means, this sentence means arı çiçeğin önünde. Okay, arı çiçeğin önünde. Number 3 is the snail is between the flowers. Okay, between means arasında, ortasında, çiçeklerin arasında. Okay, between the flowers. Number 4 is the ant is next to the flower. Okay, next to means yanında. Karınca çiçeğin yanında. Okay, the ant is next to the flower. Okay, this is our last activity. Count and complete the chart. Okay, count and complete the chart. We will count the insects and flowers and we will write here. Okay, let's count. How many ladybugs are there? Okay, how many ladybugs are there? Let's count the ladybugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we should write here there are 12 ladybugs. Okay, there are 12 ladybugs. How many butterflies are there? How many butterflies are there? Let's count the butterflies. These are the butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 butterflies. So we should write here 14. Okay. How many ants are there? Kaç tane karınca var? How many ants? Let's count the ants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 ants. So we should write here 11. How many bees are there? Bee, okay? Arı. Let's count the bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, there are 15 bees. So we should write here 15. How many spiders are there? Okay, how many spiders are there? There is only one spider, okay? One spider. So we should write here 1, okay? How many flowers are there? Flower, let's count the flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 flowers. There are 13 flowers. So we should write here 13. And how many snails are there? 1 snail. Okay, there is a snail. Okay, these are our answers. 12 ladybugs, 14 butterflies, 11 ants, 15 bees, 1 spider, 13 flowers, and 1 snail. Okay, our lesson has just finished. Take care of yourself. See you next week. Goodbye.
Aydınlatır öğretmenleri, final okulları.
Özgüvenli öğrencileri, final okulları.